Hey, stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. Attention-grabbing graphics and designs are the number one way to captivate, engage, and retain your customers once and for all. Today, with the shrinking customer attention span, that's just 4 seconds. Businesses all around the globe are investing millions of dollars every year to create stunning designs, graphics, images, etc. to get viewers' attention. But here's the sad reality. Not even 1% of them live up to the expectation, and ultimately, businesses end up losing thousands of dollars. Ultimately, they fail to cut through the clutter and get lost amongst the countless business entities on the internet. Now just imagine, what if you had the untapped power to create and sell attention-grabbing graphics and designs for your offers? And with that, convert your websites, landing pages, blogs, etc. into lead magnets once and for all. For doing all this, you don't need to turn your hair gray for learning advanced Photoshop skills, purchasing expensive software, paying through the nose to unreliable freelancers, or depending on third parties who are just toying with your money. If that caught your interest, I've got some great news for you. Presenting LifeDesigns, the most advanced graphic design suite to create stunning graphics and designs for any website, blog, landing page, etc. with just the push of a button. With this by your side, you can bid final goodbye to expensive design platforms like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or to unreliable freelancers today. Use LifeDesigns to create breathtaking designs in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, click. Step 2, customize. Step 3, profit. And that's it. Now you're all set to create attention-grabbing designs in high resolution for any niche or offer at ultra-fast speed without any experience or tech skills. Millions of business owners have used LifeDesigns for creating business logos, mock-ups, websites, landing pages, product bundles, ebook covers, social media banners, flyers, graphic ads, etc. Here are some amazing benefits you get with LifeDesigns. Brand new AI-powered graphics and video creator. Create captivating designs and graphics in hottest niches. Convert your websites, pages, and landing pages into selling magnets. One-click post scheduler for posting on all social media platforms. Get millions of searchable, royalty-free assets with no copyrights. Use thousands of inbuilt, proven-to-convert templates to create designs in any niche. All this and more for a one-time low fee. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip through the cracks. It's not every day you get offers like these at an unbelievable one-time price. Your purchase will be guarded by a 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. What else could you ask for when we're willing to put our money where our mouth is? The only thing remaining for you is to go ahead and take action. But hurry, once this 5-day charter launch is over, LifeDesigns will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So hit the buy button now, and I'll see you on the inside.